Mutual funds can be an excellent way to grow your wealth, but certain mistakes can erode your returns or even lead to financial setbacks. By understanding these common pitfalls, you can make smarter decisions and maximize your investment potential. 1. Ignoring expense ratios. The expense ratio is the annual fee mutual funds charge to manage your money. While it might seem small, usually a percentage of your investment, it can significantly impact your returns over time. The mistake: choosing funds with high fees without considering their performance. The fix: opt for low-cost funds, especially index funds, which often have expense ratios below 0.5%. 2. Failing to diversify properly. Diversification is one of the key benefits of mutual funds, yet some investors put too much money into funds that overlap or focus on the same sector. The mistake: investing in multiple funds that hold similar assets, which defeats the purpose of diversification. The fix: review the holdings of each fund to ensure they complement rather than duplicate one another. Include a mix of equity, bond, and international funds for balance. 3. Chasing past performance. Many investors make the mistake of investing in mutual funds simply because they've performed well in the past. However, past success doesn't guarantee future returns. The mistake: investing heavily in hot funds that might underperform in the future. The fix: evaluate a fund's performance over multiple years and in different market conditions. Focus on consistency rather than short-term gains. 4. Timing the market. Trying to predict market movements is a gamble, especially with mutual funds that are designed for long-term investing. The mistake: buying or selling funds based on short-term market fluctuations. The fix: stick to a disciplined investment plan. Use strategies like dollar-cost averaging to invest regularly, regardless of market conditions. 5. Overlooking your financial goals. Many investors jump into mutual funds without aligning them with their financial objectives, leading to unnecessary risk or missed opportunities. The mistake: investing in funds that don't match your time horizon or risk tolerance. The fix: identify your goals, e.g., retirement, a down payment, or education, and choose funds accordingly. For short-term goals, prioritize conservative options like bond funds. For long-term goals, consider equity or balanced funds. Bonus tips for success: reassess periodically. Check your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your evolving goals. Understand tax implications. Mutual fund distributions can trigger capital gains taxes. Choose tax-efficient funds for non-retirement accounts. Avoid emotional decisions. Stay patient and avoid reacting to market volatility. Avoiding these common mutual fund mistakes can save you time, money, and stress. By focusing on low fees, proper diversification, and aligning your investments with your goals, you can take full advantage of mutual funds to grow your wealth. Stay informed, stay consistent, and let your investments work for you.